you guys, today we're going to be talking about binary. Binary is just another number system like decimal, hexa, or octa. Instead of working on 10 numbers, really 9, but 10 because we include 0. It works on 2 numbers, 0 and 1, because computers use wires to think. Wires can be off or on, and that relates to 0 and 1 respectively. So similar to the decimal system, it works the same exact way when you're counting. So in the decimal system, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the maximum number. And actually, just to clarify, we'll put 0 there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we add 1 to the left and drop this back down to the minimum, which is 0. So that's where you get the 1, 0. And then you do 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. And this is at the max, and this isn't, so you can add to here. So add 1. And then drop this down, so 2, 0. And you can do this up to 99, so these are both in the max positions, so we have to add to the left. So it'd be 1, drop, 0, drop, 0. We don't say the numbers like that, we say 12, 13, 14, and 100, but that's how it works. Similar with binary, we have 0, and then we increase it to 1. 1 is our max position, so we have to increase the left by 1. 1, drop this, 0, and then this is not at the max, so we can increase 1, 1. Both of them are at the max, so we have to increase the left, 1, drop, 0, and then 1, 0, 1, and so on. And then how you read binary is, we'll look at this. So each place is like a numbers place. If we look at the decimal, we have the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. So each place is a multiple, or a multiple 10. So we can think of this as a 0 place. 10 to the 0 is 1, 10 to the second, or 10 to the first is 10, and then 10 to the second is 100. Similarly with binary, we have 2 to the first is 1, or 2 to the 0 is 1, 2 to the first is 2, 2 to the second is 4, and so on. If we're working with an 8-bit system, we can have up to a 256 place, so that's pretty cool. And then the maximum number we can have for an 8-bit system is 256 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2, if all of these were 1. Okay, let's look at how to add and subtract. Adding is pretty self-explanatory. We add if it's above the max, we carry over. So 1 plus 1 is 2, that's over 1, so we have to carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have to carry, and we're left with 1, so we put it down there. 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. That's how we do that. Subtraction is a little different. So if we're working with the same numbers from addition, 1 plus 1 is 0, or sorry, I did that wrong. No, this is subtraction. Let me clarify that. Minus, and over here, plus, minus. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Alright, and then over here, this is just showing you what happens when you have 0 on top and a 1 underneath. 0 minus 1 is -1, and you can't have that, you have to have a 0 or 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is -1, can't have it. So we have to borrow 1 from the leftmost place, and then we add 2. Off the top of my head, I don't know why it works, but it does. So 0 minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and then 1 minus 0 minus 1 that we took out is 0. That's how it works. That's the basics of binary. Multiplication and division get quite a bit more complicated. So we'll save that for a later video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.